Hello student. In previous video we have seen about the water and water pollution, causes of water pollution. Then later on we have seen about the soil. The soil means it is a portion of the earth's surface consisting disintegrate rock, decaying organic material. It's provide the support of the many plants and animals. Then after we have seen about the creation of the soil and which kind of factor which is affect on the soil formation. But I think revision part is left for this topic, so let's revise one more time. The creation of soil and various factor which is affect for the soil formation, or you can say the creation of the soil. The first most important factor which is affect on creation of the soil, it's the sun. How it is affect on the formation of soil that we have seen, even though we will revise, as we know that the sun heats up the rock during the daytime, and due to the heat, due to the generation of the heat, the soil, or you can say the rock, which is expand, and at the night time the temperature will decrease. Due to the decreasing of the temperature, the coolness is arise, and due to the coolness it is contract. But here the expansion and the contraction is uneven. Due to this unevenness in the rock, the crack is occur. Since all the parts of the rocks do not expand and the contract at the same rate, due to this difference between the contract and expand rate, it's result the formation of the cracks, and ultimately these huge rocks is break down and converted into the smaller pieces. The sun, the first factor which is affect on the soil formation, it's the sun. The sun heats up rocks during the day, so they expand, and at the night these rocks cool down and contract. But since all the parts of the rod do not expand and the contract at the same rate, this result in the formation of crack, and ultimately the huge rocks breaks up into the smaller pieces. The second most important factor which is affect on the formation of soil or soil creation, it's a water. The fast flowing water carries a big and the small particles, or you can say the small rock along with them, means the along with the downstream, and this rock rub against other the rocks, means there are lots of rocks which is carry out with the downstream, or you can say due to the waterfall the pressure is created. Due to that force, the many of the rocks is came out with this stream, and these rocks abrogate, or you can say the corrode with each other, and then it is ultimate cause the rocks to wear down into the smaller particles. So the second affecting factor for the soil formation is water. The fast flowing water carries the big and the small particles of the rock downstream. This rock rub against the other rocks, and the resultant the abrasion cause the rocks to wear down into the smaller particles. Now the next one, the affecting factor is a wind. This wind carries the sand from one place to another place. Due to the resulting a force, or you can say the resistance between the soil and sand particles. Also it is caused the soil formation. The next one, that the affecting factor for the soil creation is the living organism. Living organism in that such a plant, or you can say such a growing plant which get the shelter on that rock, and due to the secretion of the some of the chemicals, they penetrate their root inside the rock, and as a resultant the cracking of the rock is occur. How exactly it occur? Let's see. The example of living organism who affect the soil formation. The first one is a lichen, or you can say lichen. The lichen moss also grow on the surface of the rock, and while growing they release certain substance, or you can say the chemicals that cause the rock surface to powder down and form a thin layer of soil. As resultant, the soil formation is occur. So main factor which is affect on the soil formation is the sun, water, wind, living organism like a lichen. Now let's move further. The next topic is the soil erosion. Now what is soil erosion? The soil erosion means a carrying away of an upper fertile layer of soil. The carrying away of upper fertile layer of soil by the rain, wind, human activities and the wrong agricultural practice is called the soil erosion. Means the erase out, or you can say the carrying away upper fertile layer by the rain, the force of the water droplets, force of the wind, and some of the pesticides, or you can say for the using a pest control pesticides and the weedicide also may result in about the soil erosion, because due to that the fertility of the soil is decreased, or sometime it's happened that the upper fertile layer due to this harmful effect of chemicals like pesticide and weedicide is lost their complete fertility. So that also we consider as a soil erosion. So the soil erosion means a carrying away of a upper fertile layer of a soil. How can this upper layer is move from one place to another place or carrying away? By the sum of the factor like rain, wind, human activity and the wrong agriculture practice. So these all the factors result a soil erosion. So the definition of the soil erosion means a carrying away of upper fertile layer of soil by the rain, wind, human activities and wrong agricultural practice is called the soil erosion. Now which are the main cause of the soil erosion? The first one, that is of overgrazing of the land. Then the second one, that is of removal of topsoil by the wind and the water, as we see in the definition, that due to the force of the wind and the water, also the remove out, or you can say the washed out the upper fertile layer of the soil. The third one, that due to the lack of a tree, the upper layer of soil is eroded by the air and the water. As we know that if we are grow the plants, then the root of the plants is penetrate inside the soil, and it's uh, help to binding the soil with each other. But due to the lack of the tree, by the force of rain, then the air, wind, it's easily eroded. So due to the lack of a tree, the upper layer of soil is eroded by the air and the water. Then the next cause for the soil erosion is leaving land uncultivated for a long time. If we are not grow any crops in it, then the fertility of the soil after some time it's loose. Due to that also the soil erosion is occur. So the causes of soil erosion, the first one, that is of overgrazing of a land. The second one, that removal of topsoil by the some of the factor like wind, water. The third cause, that due to the lack of tree, the upper layer of soil is eroded by the air and the water, and the living land uncultivated for a long time. So these all are the factors which affect or which is cause the soil erosion. One more causes of soil erosion is that the using of excessive amount of pesticides and the weedicide. It's also cause the soil erosion. Let's revise one more time how the soil is formed. First of all, what is the soil? The soil is a portion of the earth's surface consisting of a disintegrate rock and the decaying organic matter, and it provides the support for the many plants and the animals. Now the creation of the soil, for that the various factors are there. The first factor is sun. The sun heats up the rock during the day, and the due to that heat the rock is expand, and at the night time the rock is cool down. Due to that it is contract. But here, due to the unevenness, expandation and the contraction, the resultant formation of crack, and ultimately the huge rock is breaks up into the smaller pieces. Now the second factor which affect on the soil formation is water. The fast flowing water carries the big and the small particles of a rock to downstream, and this rock rub against other rocks, and the resultant the abrasion cause the rock to wear down into the smaller particle. Then the next factor is a wind. Winds also carry out the larger particles of the sand, and then it is converted into the smaller particles. Other factor, it's a living organism, and in that the example of living organism is a lichen. The lichen moss also grow on the surface of the rock. While growing, it releases some of the chemicals, or you can say the substance, that cause the rock surface to powdery form, and then how the soil is formed. Now the next one is soil erosion. Soil erosion means a carrying away of an upper fertile layer of a soil by wind, rain or human activities and wrong agricultural practice is called soil erosion. Now causes of soil erosion. The first cause of soil erosion is overgrazing of the land. Means land is used for the grazing of the animals, and due to the overgrazing by the animals also cause the soil erosion. The second cause for the soil erosion is the removal of a topsoil by the wind and the water. The third causes of a soil erosion due to the lack of a tree. The upper layer of the soil is eroded by the air and the water. And the last one is the living land uncultivated for a long time. It's also cause the soil erosion. And one more topic you can add, that by using a excessive amount of pesticide and the weedicide, it also cause the soil erosion. Due to that the upper layer of the soil become polluted, and due to that it's lost the fertility. So it is also cause the soil erosion. Causes of erosion: overgrazing of land, removal of topsoil by the wind and the water. Due to the lack of tree, the upper layer of soil is eroded by the air and the water. Then the living land uncultivated for a long time. So these all are the causes of soil erosion. Till now we studied about the natural resources. In that, first we study about the water, then after soil, and also see the soil water pollution and the causes of the soil erosion, then some of the harmful effect of the air pollution, then importance of the atmosphere, then the acid rain, what is a global warming, then importance of the ozone layer, how the ozone layer is depleted, that all the topic we are already covered. Now the next topic is about the biogeochemical cycle that we will see in the next lecture, next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, see you.